once again, welcome to another vlog. And today kasama natin si Lola Kimi. After magmajong. Kasama natin si Kimi habang minumukbang yung ating paper bag. Sake. By the way guys, nag-Pet Huddle kami last December 3rd, the second day of the Pet Huddle at BGC, and sobrang daming items na magaganda na nakita natin. Sobrang daming salt. Sayang hindi yung mabot sa beach.
Kasi maliit sila.
First damage. This is for Roo. So yun lang i-flex namin para ma-ROI daw. Para makabawi tayo. No, hindi. It's, if you are looking for regalos for Christmas sa inyong mga inaanak na aso, pets, pusa, or any burloloys, or clothes for your pets, sobrang daming items na maganda doon and brands na makikita nyo doon sa Pet Huddle. Apparently, Pet Huddle happened December 2nd and December 3rd. So, since wala na, meron namang mga IG yung mga yon. So, i-flex natin yung mga nabili natin doon. Starting with LItol Buddy. LItol actually. LItol Buddy. Pero wala na dito yung laman kasi sinuot na ni Kimi. So, ito yung aming nabiling shirt for Lola Kim. Oops. May kita yung ano mo. May kita yung pem-pem. So, this is the shirt. And we got this for... Naka-on sale actually siya. 20% off. Diba? And super nice. Bagay sa kanya. Ayaw niya yung mga sobrang girly-girly. She's already 14 years old.
Mag-15.
Yeah, mag-15 years old. So, sobrang cute at bumagay dyan sa burloloy niya. Now, we got from another bazaar during months early this year. So, mandyan naman yung clips, pakikita natin. I forgot the brand, pero pag nakita ko, ilalagay ko dyan sa gilid. And then, second is this cap from Club Travel. Ayan! Ang cute nito. This is for Roo actually. Pasalubong to or Christmas gift to ni Shoyu and ni Sake for Roo.
And ni Kimi.
And ni Kimi for Roo. So, pero yung daddy pa rin yung nagbayad. Ako pa rin yung nagbayad. Pero Christmas gift na nila. And then lalagay mo yung ears dito. Tapos, mabilis na din siya i-lock. Like that. Because I'm a very outgoing fur dad. And most likely, pag uwi ko sa province this Christmas, marami kaming happenings ni Roo outside of the house, which is lagi siyang nasa labas. So, kailangan niya ng protection from the sun. Pero actually, kung gi-get up tayo, gi-get upan na lang din natin yung ating fur dogs or fur babies. Next up, we have... Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang meron? This one! Little Bonita Charms.
Bonita.
Ay! Di mo kita! Ayan! This is La Bonita Charms. And, ang cute lang, suot ni Shoyu. Ayan o. Ikaw naman o. It's your time to shine. Suot ni Shoyu. Binilan siya namin before ng necklace. Apparently, merong ribbon. Isusuot mo siya. I-ribbon mo siya. So, mahirap sa kanya kasi she moves a lot. So, binigay namin kay Kimi. Yun yung suot ni Kimi kanina. I just forgot the brand. I'm sorry, we got it earlier this year, but we will add it here sa vlog. And Sake! Sake was also wearing a scarf before, yung Vans na scarf. We got it from LItol Buddy as well. LItol Buddy. Sobrang maganda yung scarf nila doon. So, guys, if you really want to get stuff for your fur babies, for your fur kids, ano bang tawag nyo? Sa inyong mga pets, you go to events like this because you can get a lot of discounts, a lot of good items, and woof, that was sabi ni Kimi, and woof. Also have items from our favorite dog brand. This is probably our most visited shop for 2023 in BGC. Hello. Show you. So unlike sa paper bag nila na mabilis masira, yung items nila sobrang tibay. So this is the reason why I decided to make a haul na din for the items that we got from Zeedog, kasi we have we use this for more than years, right? More than years already to most or all of our pets, and kahit yung toys nila, chew toys nila, umaabot ng 6 months or more. So safe for the pets, and basta matibay, quality yung items nila.
Non-toxic.
And non-toxic, kaya nga safe eh. So I'll start, ito yung gift from
me.
From me. Gift from Shoyu, from Saki and Shoyu to Ru. Since uuwi ako, binilhan na din siya namin ng Zeedog. Kimi, hindi na siya makikita sa frame. O, sige o. O, dyan ka. Binilhan siya namin ng Zeedog the Air Leash. Bago actually itong Air Leash. Ano yung curl. Ganun. Kung pupunta ka doon, maraming klaseng leash doon. So, bibilin sana namin yung para yung curl para anti-pull yon. So, pag malalaki yung dogs mo and bigla mong hihilahin, hindi masakit sa kanila. But they have this new, I'm not sure if it's new, but it's new to us kasi first time naming bumili nito. Ano ba yan? Ayan, ito yung hanapin nyo lang yung air leash, and ito yung mechanism niya. Papakita ko. Ayan oh. Tapos yung hila niya. Ayan. So ang hila niya is from the leash itself, hindi automatic sa liig. No. Ganun. We're acting si Ed. Adventuresome. Along with the leash, meron ding collar si Ru. This is our favorite. Ang lahat ng colors nila this time are Zeedogs. Ayan. Maganda sa Zeedog kasi they have a lot of sizes, starting from extra small, I think, to XL. And then itong nakuha namin, this is waterproof, scratch proof, dirt protected, easy to clean, and reinforced. Ano yung reinforced? Reinforced KG. So kahit mahaba or basta malaki yung basta reinforced na lang. Doon na natin ilalagay. So for dogs like English Bulldog, Labrador, Boxer, Rottweiler. Oh my god, this is too big for Ru, I think. Feeling ko nga medium lang si Ru. Medium yun, di ba? And this is a glow in the dark poop bag dispenser. You get your poop bag from here. Boy, you get your poop bag from here, and then pag gabi na nag-glow lang daw, so mabilis na siyang hanapin. So those are the items that we got. Oh, meron pa pala. Since we will have since we will have a we also got Ru an AirTag holder. An AirTag holder kasi Rue will be on a off-leash training when I get home to Dapitan. So marami tayong vlog na gagawin together with this kung effective ba to or not. But so far, we already have 2 AirTags with our shibas and it's very safe for them. Hopefully, magagamit ko siya. So along with that, meron tayong Christmas gift for Rue from Kimi, an AirTag and an AirTag holder. So we'll set it up later, or we'll set it up when I get home to Dapitan. Parang paborito ko na yung pwesto nito. Ang sarap mag-vlog dito. But anyway guys, I would just like to share our experience during the weekend kasi it's a very fun experience for us. Every time we go to BGC, gusto niyo daw pakita ulit. Every time we go to BGC, a lot of fur friends, fur friends, paw parents, and especially the outdoor dining of the restaurants who are catering food as well to our fur babies, to our fur friends, to our paw, dami sinasabi, to our paw babies, to our paw friends.
Nag-agree siya.
So anyway guys, this is the experience from the recent Pet Huddle. Hopefully there will be a lot of Pet Huddles in the future, but sobrang saya ng Pet Huddle sa BGC. Paandaran yung mga fur parents saka mga pets. Guys, watch this. Sobrang saya.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
Hello.
Dreaming of you.
Hello. What's with your bling?
Dreaming of you.
Huh? What's with your bling?
Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
And guys, if you're looking for accommodations for you and your pets, we made a series of vlogs, series of videos from north to south, south to north, and even further. Basta panoorin nyo yung mga videos natin dyan, andyan sa ating playlist. Hopefully, you'll enjoy it. If you have other recommendations, don't forget to comment comment the accommodations below. Hopefully, mabisit natin yan. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Merry Christmas!